A virtual assistant is an independent contractor who provides administrative services to clients while operating outside of the client's office, but can access the necessary planning documents such as shared calendars remotely. Sometimes we provide assistance with marketing, web design, bookkeeping, and many other services. Virtual assistants are especially in demand by entrepreneurs and online businesses that need help. You are not just someone who is working from home. You will be working with a company. They will be your partner, and the only difference is that you are working in the comfort of your own home. This is GVA, General Virtual Assistant. You're going to do data entry, admin tasks, and also email management, social media management, blog writing, and marketing collaterals, plus database management. ISA, or Inside Sales Associate. This one is a voice account. Here we are strictly requiring that you have at least 6 months BPO experience, outbound cold calling, appointment setting, lead generation and nurturing, plus CRM management. EVA, Executive Virtual Assistant. So here we are strictly requiring you to at least have 6 months BPO experience because you're going to do appointment setting, outbound cold calling, admin task, email management, social media management, blog writing, and marketing collaterals. It's a mix of voice and non-voice.